Officer. We are the Group 2, and we were going to discuss our topic, which is all about the use of IMDG and IMSBC in the carriage of dangerous cargoes. Introduction. The transportation of dangerous cargoes by sea is critical activity that requires strict safety measures. Improper handling of such cargoes can lead to accidents, loss of life, damage to ships, and pollution of the marine environment. To ensure safety, the International Maritime Organization developed two important codes, the IMDG code and IMSBC code. These codes provide internationally accepted guidelines for the safe carriage of dangerous goods.
IMDG Code, International Maritime Dangerous Goods Code. The IMDG code is used for the transport of dangerous goods in packaging form. This includes chemical, fuels, gases, and other hazardous materials. Use of the IMDG code. Classification: dangerous goods are divided into different classes such as explosive, flammable liquid, toxic substance, and corrosives. Packaging: it specifies proper packaging methods to prevent leak, spills, or contamination. Marking and labeling requires hazard label and marking so that tricks are easily identified. Stowage and segregation provides rules on how cargo should be arranged on board to avoid dangerous interaction. Emergency procedures includes guidelines on what actions to take in case of fire, spillage, or exposure. Importance: the IMDG code ensure that packaged dangerous goods are handled, stored, and transported safely, reducing the risk of accidents at sea.
Relation to the carriage of dangerous cargoes. Both the IMDG and IMSBC codes play an essential role in ensuring the safe carriage of dangerous cargoes by, first, providing standardized international rules for shipping hazardous materials, minimizing risks such as fire, explosion, toxicity, and instability. Next, protecting crew, vessels, cargo, and marine environment. Next, ensuring compliance with global maritime safety regulation. While the IMDG code focuses on packaged dangerous goods, the IMSBC code deals with hazardous solid bulk cargoes. Together, they cover a wide range of dangerous materials transported by sea.
IMS-BC Code, International Maritime Solid Bulk Cargoes Code. Uses of the IMS-BC Code. Cargo classification. Identifies hazards such as cargoes that may liquefy, emit toxic gases, or cause chemical reaction. Loading and storage. Provides procedure to ensure cargo is properly loaded and secured to maintain ship stability. Moisture control. Sets limit like the Transportable Moisture Limit, in short, TML, to prevent liquefaction. Ventilation requirements. Ensures proper airflow to prevent buildup of harmful gases. Safety precautions. Guides crew on safety handling and monitoring of bulk cargoes.
Conclusion: the IMDG and IMSBC codes are vital tools in maritime safety. They provide clear guidelines for the classification, handling, stowage, and transport of dangerous cargoes. By following these codes, shipping companies or crew members can significantly reduce risk and ensure safety and efficient sea transport.